This is a video of the front side air handler observed in the attic. At the time of the inspection, I observed the condensation drain line, which is this white PVC. Plumbing was pitched the wrong way. It was pitched back towards the trap. The pitch should angle downwards 1/4 of an inch per foot. Here you can see the level. Once repitched, this will help gravity take the water away from the unit and help prevent leaking. Have the builder further evaluate the entire HVAC system for the home and repair or replace as needed.